Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. After opening the toilet lid and seat, hold the lid firmly and lift it upwards. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is slightly lifted, move it backward. You will see hoses and cables. First, remove the side flush hose. The side flush hose can be unscrewed by hand. Remove the bottom flush hose. The water supply hose will need a wrench to remove. Turn the wrench clockwise to unscrew. After removing the hoses, unscrew the foot sensor cable. Disconnect the foot sensor cable. Reel in the power cable. Now remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Put it aside. Prepare the tools. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is removed from the ceramic toilet bowl, you will see the back of the assembly. There are screws connecting the cover and the base. There are 4 screws to be removed. Unscrew all the fixed screws. Pry open the clips between the cover and the base. Open the base and the cover. You will find that there are still connecting cables between the base and the cover. Remove the connecting cables. Set the base aside. After separating the base from the cover, proceed with replacing the dryer component. The component is secured with screws, which needs to be removed for replacement. Additionally, there are 2 connecting cables for the dryer component that must be detached. One for the motor, and one for the heating element. Both connected to the main board. Once these are removed, the entire dryer component can be taken out. To install the new dryer component, first place it in the corresponding position and tighten the screw securely. After securing the screws, reconnect the cables to the main board. Organize and check the cables to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, reinstall the base and cover. Take base back and install it. Reconnect the connecting cables to the main board. Once the connections are done, join the base and the cover together. Pay attention to the clips on this side. Also, pay attention to the clips at the back. Combine base and cover. Tighten the base's fixing screws again. Once all the screws are tightened, the assembly is complete. Reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly onto the ceramic toilet bowl. First, install the foot sensor cable. The foot sensor cable has a specific insertion direction. There is a notch on the top. Once the foot sensor cable is connected, install the water supply hose. Use a wrench to tighten the water supply hose. Next, install the side flush hose, which is located on the side of the toilet. Install the bottom flush hose. After tightening the hoses, check to make sure there are no issues and that they are all securely tightened. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.